Bitcoin, Fs or Elon Musk. These words are so familiar nowadays. But what's up with Shiba Inu and Shibarium? Can you tell? Well, no less of an exciting journey. People are finally gaining more confidence in the crypto space. And now we are entering a stage we've never been in before. But what am I talking about? Well, let me explain. As we wrap up the first quarter of 2024, there's been a bunch of interesting stuff happening lately. But let's talk about last year for a sec. Crypto was kinda boring, right? Lots of folks got tired of it and either ditched their crypto or just stopped paying attention. But hey, can you really blame them? When things get dull, it's pretty normal for us humans to lose interest. And here's something you should understand. During the bear market, when interest waned and prices dropped, those who remained vigilant seized the opportunity to accumulate crypto at lower prices. It served as a litmus test, revealing the committed from the indifferent. Now, in 2024, the approval of the Bitcoin ETF has injected unexpected excitement into the crypto market. This development has attracted a fresh wave of participants, hinting at the potential for significant growth ahead. And it looks like just the beginning. In the first quarter of 2024, the Shiba Inu ecosystem had a big moment. Shiba Inu shot up by 190%, Leash climbed 87%, and Bone rose by 25%. There was a lot of trading going on, and some smart partnerships were made. The Shiba Inu ecosystem really took off in Q1 of 2024. And this is very important. For those not familiar with quarters that much, imagine a year like a pie, but instead of cutting it into slices, we split it into 4 equal parts. Each part is called a quarter. So if you think about it, a year has 4 quarters. January to March is the first quarter, April to June is the second quarter, and so on. Now in the business world, quarters are a big deal. Companies use them to track how well they're doing. They look at the price of the quarter, and they look at the price of the quarter. They look at things like sales, profits, and expenses during each quarter to see if they're on track to meet their goals. If a quarter isn't successful for a business, it means they didn't make as much money or meet their targets. This could be because of things like low sales or unexpected expenses. But if a quarter is successful, it means the company did really well and met or even exceeded their goals. And while it all makes much sense, here's the important part. If we take crypto, then the situation is pretty similar, but usually has a bigger impact on behavior. When a crypto project has a successful quarter with positive developments and pricing increases, investors tend to feel more confident. They may be more inclined to buy or hold on to their tokens, anticipating further growth and potential returns. Conversely, if a crypto project has an unsuccessful quarter, investors may become wary. Price decreases or lackluster developments could lead to a loss of confidence in the project's future prospects. In such cases, investors might sell their tokens, causing the price to drop further. If a crypto project has a successful quarter, investors may be more inclined to buy or hold onto their tokens, anticipating further growth and potential returns. In both scenarios, investors closely monitor the quarterly performance of crypto projects to assess their investment decisions. A successful quarter can attract new investors and drive up demand, while an unsuccessful quarter may result in decreased investor interest and token value. And this is where things get interesting for Shiba Inu specifically. Bitget, a cryptocurrency exchange, recently shared some interesting numbers. They showed a huge surge in activity for Shiba Inu and its companion tokens. Not only that, but the trading volume for these tokens shot up by 416% an hour in the first quarter. Shiba Inu itself also shot up by 416% an hour in the first quarter. Plus, The number of traders getting involved grew by 178%. This shows that more and more people are joining in and trading within the Shiba Inu ecosystem. By the way, speaking of quarters and businesses today, something caught everyone's attention in the finance world. Tesla announced that they didn't sell any of their $700 million worth of Bitcoin during Q1 of 2024. And while this news is very significant to the entire crypto space, I'll later explain why. It also has a very interesting impact on Shiba Inu. As one of the crypto users pointed out, that Tesla not selling their Bitcoin might show they still believe in Bitcoin's value over time. And this is so true. Let's not forget that Tesla holds the title of the second largest corporate holder of Bitcoin, just after the MicroStrategy. It simply signifies that Tesla has a significant amount of its treasury invested in Bitcoin, just like MicroStrategy does. When big companies like Tesla and MicroStrategy make moves with their investments, it tends to grab people's attention. All because many folks believe that if these big players, with their teams of financial experts, are putting their money into something like Bitcoin, it must be a smart move. So, they might follow suit, hoping to see similar gains in their own investments. And this is where one Twitter user humorously suggests, imagine if they bought Shiba Inu at last bear market's price, they could be assembling Tesla helicopters already. While that's a funny thought, it's important to remember that the crypto world is still in its early stages. We've only just seen the approval of the first crypto ETF, signaling the slow entry of traditional finance and the rise of the crypto market. So, if you're interested in learning more into the crypto space, and since Bitcoin is the top one largest and recognized cryptocurrency, it's understandable why they might not have dabbled in Shiba Inu. However, it's crucial to recognize that developments in Bitcoin don't just affect Bitcoin itself. They have a ripple effect across the entire crypto space. Past experiences have shown us that Shiba Inu often closely follows the price trajectory of Bitcoin. So even though Tesla may not have directly invested in Shiba Inu, any significant movements in Bitcoin's price can still have an impact on Shiba Inu and other cryptocurrencies. And here's some good news. BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF has been attracting investment for 70 days in a row. Now, with that level of success, and considering the tens of millions of dollars flowing in daily towards Bitcoin ETFs, I think it's becoming more likely that we'll see these big companies taking further steps into the crypto space, expanding beyond just Bitcoin. Think of it like this. If someone tries a new restaurant and loves the food so much that they keep going back and telling all their friends about it, wouldn't the restaurant owner consider adding more dishes to the menu to cater to different tastes? It's similar with big companies and crypto. When they see one crypto asset, like Bitcoin, gaining popularity and success, they might start exploring other cryptocurrencies to diversify their investments and capture more opportunities. And as Shiba Inu edges closer to the top 10 cryptocurrencies worldwide, at 11th place, its recognizable dog logo makes it easy to capture people's attention. This could mean big benefits for Shiba Inu with the potential influx of new investors. And here's a fun fact, reaching the top 10 probably won't be too tough. Recently, the DV team revealed some exciting updates on the horizon, like shibaswap 2 and a new layer 3 blockchain, all designed to enhance the Shiba Inu token. And here's something you should understand. We might have expected to see exponential growth in the crypto space right after the approval of the Bitcoin ETF in the US. However, the situation with Grayscale threw a wrench into the works. As we already know, this big player, holding a huge stash of Bitcoin, suddenly started selling off their massive holdings, causing several market crashes over the last 3 months. Actions like these, along with market crashes, can really mess with people's heads. It creates fear and uncertainty. about the things that initially inspired them to invest. When investors see sudden drops in prices or major players offloading assets, they can't help but think of the future of Bitcoin as a new era of Bitcoin. It can shake their confidence in the market and make them question their investment decisions. But here's some good news. BlackRock is now just 30 Bitcoin away from surpassing Grayscale's Bitcoin holdings. This means that the selling pressure in the market will likely start to slow down. In fact, we're already starting to see signs of this as the outflows from Grayscale Bitcoin are slowing down, with the massive selling pressure expected to ease off soon. The crypto market should finally be able to breathe a sigh of relief. This has been a great step forward for us, because when there's less selling pressure, it allows the market to stabilize and potentially even start moving upwards. Investors may feel more confident to buy and hold on to their asset. And with that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, then please like this video. And don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also, please share this video to as many people as possible. Let's get this news out there.